Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file for divorce in California. First, you need to identify the correct superior court in your county and complete the initial petition forms. These forms officially start the legal process. Next, you must properly serve your spouse with these papers, ensuring they receive official notification. Finally, you'll file proof of this service with the court, confirming your spouse was notified. This sets the foundation for your divorce proceedings. After being served, your spouse typically has 30 days to file a response with the court. This response indicates their agreement or disagreement with your petition. Regardless of a response, both parties must exchange preliminary and final declarations of disclosure. These documents provide a complete and accurate picture of all assets, debts, and income for both individuals. This transparency is crucial for fair division and support calculations. With financial information exchanged, you and your spouse can begin negotiating agreements on property division, spousal support, and child custody or support. If you reach full agreement, you'll prepare a marital settlement agreement. If not, the case may proceed to a court trial where a judge will make decisions. Ultimately, a final judgment document, reflecting either your agreement or the judge's orders, must be submitted for the judge's signature. Once the final judgment is submitted, the judge will review all the details to ensure everything is legally sound and fair. After their review, the judge will sign the judgment, officially finalizing your divorce. This signature marks the legal end of your marriage, and you will receive a filed copy of the judgment. Remember, this process can be complex, so seeking legal advice is often beneficial. Also, for a great resource on personal finance, check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.